Luke Combs and Fast Car. Kicks Country 92.9, number one for New Country. I like the idea of a fast car. Hot Rod Todd here. It's Todd Matthews, 932. It's about this time on Wednesdays we present Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner, answering questions about the law largely submitted by you. I'll tell you how to submit a question in just a moment if you would care to, and then we can consider that for a future broadcast. In the meantime, would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How are you doing this morning?
Excellent, excellent. How about you, Mr. Positivity?
I'm doing very, very well, thank you.
I expected nothing less. Well, here we go again. Bruce, you've provided so much great information over the last 10-plus years now for anybody who's got an issue. And here comes another one of those issues that desperately needs your feedback. Are you ready to listen to today's question?
I am ready, Todd.
All right. Here's what the email reads. It says, my wife was walking down an aisle at a big box store when several boxes hit her from the top shelf. My wife was knocked to the ground and as a result has a broken hip and arm. The hospital doctors say she will need hip replacement surgery and lots of therapy. It turns out the boxes fell because of a vendor stacking a shelf on the other side of the aisle from where she was walking. The big box store claims they're not responsible because it was the vendor's fault. Can you ask the lawyer what we should do? We hear about these things from time to time, and it becomes a finger-pointing exercise between the vendor and the store, you know?
I agree, Todd. And first of all, it's really a shame that when people cause someone else's harm, they don't stand up and, say, yes, I'm sorry. How could we, resolve the issue?
Right.
The store is responsible because they invite you to their store to shop. They accept your money and they make profits from you.
Right.
The store has a duty to provide a safe place to shop.
Mm-hmm.
However, the vendor is also responsible. So as soon as this person, knew that they sustained such a great harm, the smartest thing to do would be to contact an experienced personal injury lawyer so they could fight through these unreasonable denials and help them make a satisfactory recovery.
Mm-hmm.
The vendor, I'm sure, has insurance and could take care of what happened.
Mm-hmm.
And it would be a joint effort between the store and the vendor,
right,
to make this poor lady whole from the serious injury she sustained.
Right.
She's entitled to recover for all of her medical bills, past and future, lost wages if she sustained lost wages, and most importantly, pain and suffering in the present and the future, because a broken hip is a terrible injury to sustain and have to recover from.
I mean, some don't ever recover, so I know there's a lot of pain and a lot of hard work involved, and she certainly deserves to be compensated for that.
If this person called me, I would immediately put the store and the vendor on notice. I would try to negotiate, a good settlement for this poor lady. And if I was unsuccessful, I would take both the vendor and the store to trial.
Okay. Now, ultimately, we always hope it doesn't go that way, but if need be, I know you've got such a wealth of experience in the courtroom that would be very comforting, I would say.
I would look forward to it.
I love that kind of enthusiasm from you. So the bottom line is getting a hold of a legal professional quickly would be definitely in order.
I agree, Todd. That's route to take.
All right, sir. Well, thank you so much once again. I'm sure this gives a ray of hope to these people, and we certainly do appreciate, as always, your sage wisdom. Hope you have a good week ahead of you. We'll look forward to talking to you next Wednesday.
Thank you very much, Todd. I look forward to it as well.
Take care, Bruce. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Now, if you would like to submit a question for future consideration, maybe something that's always been a curiosity about the law, feel free to send that to us. The easiest way to do that is to go to our website and type Bruce into the keyword search box, BRUCE. Now, if you have an immediate situation like this poor injured woman, be better if you contacted the Port Charlotte office of Bruce L. Scheiner. Associates in Bruce L. Scheiner's number, 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. Tell them that Todd Matthews sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.
Heart pounding, mind racing.